Hi, it's Kerry. Lots of interesting snakes today. I've also got flying reptiles delivering the snakes and flying past. The eastern diamondback rattlesnake is a species of venomous pit viper in the family Viperidae. The species is endemic to the southeastern United States. Green anaconda. The diameter of their body can be up to 12 inches or 30 centimeters. This is a pterosaur. Green anaconda hunts on land and in the water, but prefers water where it can move with ease. It can stay under the water for 10 minutes before it comes to the surface to breathe. Hatzegopteryx is bringing in the rough green snake. The rough green snake is a non-venomous North American colorbreed. It is sometimes called a grass snake or green grass snake. Coral snakes are a venomous snake that live in North America. They are members of the cobra family. That was Rhamphorhynchus. Can you tell me, is the blue snake called blue anaconda or blue coral snake? Pythons are non-venomous snakes that live in the tropical areas of Africa and Asia. Rattlesnake. They are best known for and most easily recognized by their rattle. And that was Quetzalcoatlus. The rattle is made by segments of their tail locking together. The albino Burmese python. What a beautiful looking snake. This is a very rare snake. The Burmese python is one of the 5 largest species of snakes in the world. The boa is being delivered by Anhangera. They ambush their prey, which means they will hide and wait for something tasty to go by and then attack. The copperhead snake is a species of venomous snake endemic to eastern North America. Like all pit vipers, it is generally an ambush predator. One exception to ambush foraging occurs when copperheads feed on insects such as caterpillars. The boa constrictors are one of the largest snakes in the world, along with the reticulated python and anaconda. They are non-poisonous but just as deadly. The chain king snake is a harmless colorbreed species endemic to the US and Mexico. It's a favorite amongst collectors. The red-bellied black snake. If you look closely underneath, you'll see it has a red belly. blue coral snake. The blue coral snake is known for having a distinct red head, tail and belly. Adults can grow to be almost 6 feet or 2 meters long. Coral snakes are a venomous snake that live in North America. They are members of the cobra family. They have a pair of small hollow fangs to deliver their venom. Albino ball python. It is a python species found in sub-Saharan Africa. Like all other pythons, it is a non-venomous constrictor. Burmese python. Burmese python is one of the 5 largest snakes in the world and can reach weights of up to 200 pounds or 90 kilograms. The sidewinder rattlesnake. It's a species of venomous pit viper. It is called a sidewinder because it uses a sidewinding motion to move across the sand. Ball python. The ball python is aptly named. It curls into a ball when frightened. The green anaconda is a member of the boa family and is the largest and heaviest known snake, not necessarily the longest. This is a white cobra. They would have trouble because they don't have any camouflage. It would expose them to predators and enemies and make it hard for them to ambush prey. Amethyst python. The amethyst python or amethystine python is also known as the scrub python. The red-bellied black snake. If you look closely underneath, you'll see it has a red belly. Cobra. When threatened, their ribs expand to make a hood. They make a loud, low hissing noise and they can spit venom up to 8 feet. The black mamba is the fastest and second longest land snake in the world. Their name comes from the colour inside their mouths. I love all the bright colours of these amazing reptiles. Tap the bell icon to be notified when my next new video is uploaded. Subscribe and like if you like snakes. Thank you for watching my video. Please share with your friends. See you again soon.